Have you ever felt like your legs are just too weak to keep up with you? Do simple activities like walking up the stairs or standing for a long time feel exhausting? If so, you're not alone. Leg weakness is a common problem for many seniors. But here's the good news. There's a way to rebuild your strength naturally, and it starts with the right food. Today, we're sharing 9 powerful foods that can help you regain strength and feel more confident on your feet. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to get your legs feeling strong again. But why do legs get weak? Aging naturally causes muscle loss, a condition called sarcopenia. But without bricks, the house can't stay strong. Your body needs certain bricks in the form of vitamins, minerals, and protein to keep your legs powerful. Before we dive in, if you find our content helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Your support helps us keep bringing you valuable content. Also, let me know where are you from on telling you that it needs help. Leg weakness can be linked to hidden health issues, such as poor blood flow, nerve damage, and even lack of hydration. That's why eating the right foods is essential. These foods aren't just good for you. They're like natural medicine for your muscles. You shouldn't ignore weak legs. If you've been experiencing frequent leg weakness, tingling, or cramping, your body might be warning you of something more serious. Poor nutrition can lead to loss of mobility, increased risk of falls, and chronic pain. The good news? A proper diet can slow down or even reverse muscle weakness. Let's talk about 9 foods that will strengthen your legs. Food. 1. Spinach, the iron booster. Spinach is packed with iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles. Without enough iron, your legs may feel tired and weak. Try adding spinach to a smoothie, salad, or omelet to give your legs the fuel they need. Food. 2. Salmon, rich in omega-3. Weak legs can sometimes be linked to inflammation. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and help your muscles recover faster. Eating salmon twice a week can make a real difference. Food. 3. Greek yogurt, a protein powerhouse. Protein is essential for muscle repair, and Greek yogurt is one of the best sources. It contains more protein than regular yogurt and also has calcium, which keeps your bones strong. Have a bowl of Greek yogurt with some berries for a delicious and nutritious snack. Food. 4. Eggs, the complete protein. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them perfect for muscle building. Plus, they're easy to cook and include in different meals. Scramble them, boil them, or make an omelet. Just eat them regularly. Food. 5. Bananas, the energy booster. Ever had leg cramps? Bananas can help! They're rich in potassium, which prevents muscle cramps and keeps your muscles functioning properly. Try eating a banana before a walk or workout for an energy boost. Food. Nuts, the healthy fat source. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are full of healthy fats and protein. They help your muscles recover and keep you feeling full and energized. A small handful of nuts every day is a great way to support your leg strength. Food. 7. Sweet potatoes, the stamina builder. Sweet potatoes are loaded with complex carbohydrates and vitamin A. They give your body the long-lasting energy it needs to stay active. Swap regular potatoes for sweet potatoes in your meals and feel the difference. Food. 8. Chicken, the muscle repair expert. Lean meats like chicken are fantastic for rebuilding muscle. They provide high-quality protein without too much fat. Grilled, baked, or stir-fried, make sure to include chicken in your diet a few times a week. Food. Water, the forgotten hero. Yes, water is a food too. Dehydration leads to muscle fatigue and weakness. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day to keep your muscles working efficiently. A simple tip? Start your morning with a glass of water to kickstart hydration. The 30-day leg strength challenge. Now that you know what to eat, here's a challenge for you. For the next 30 days, try to include at least 3 of these foods in your daily meals. It doesn't have to be complicated. Maybe start your day with Greek yogurt and a banana, have some chicken for lunch, and snack on nuts in the evening. At the same time, don't forget to stay active. Even light exercises like stretching, walking, or leg raises can speed up your progress. Think of this as a complete plan. Fuel your body with the right foods and keep moving. This is real-life success story. A senior named Mary, 72 years old, had been struggling with weak legs for years. She felt tired even after short walks and needed support to stand up. But after including these foods in her diet for just 4 weeks, she noticed a major improvement. Her legs felt stronger, and she had more energy to do everyday tasks. If she can do it, so can you. Leg weakness doesn't have to be a part of aging. With the right nutrition and small daily habits, you can regain strength, improve balance, and feel more confident. Are you ready to take on the 30-day challenge? Let us know in the comments. And before you go, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It really helps us grow and reach more people who need this information. Thanks for watching, and here's to stronger legs and a healthier you.